Okay, kindergarten, we are going to be drawing the snowman today, and we are actually going to be using a very special tool with black paint. And that very special tool we're going to be using today is our finger. So depending on whatever hand you write with, whatever one you pick your pencil up with, that's the finger you're going to use. Now this is very important. We are going to be dipping our finger in paint to draw the snowman, but you need to remember we're only going to use one finger. We're not going to put a bunch of paint on our hands and on our fingertips. We're only going to use one hand, so we're going to close all our other fingers up, and we're going to use our one finger. And if you're right-handed, this is the finger you'll use. You'll close your fingers up and you're going to use one finger like a paintbrush today to create the snowman. So, and if you start running out of paint when you're drawing, you just want to dip your finger back in the paint and get some more paint on your finger. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to create his hat. So you're going to dip your finger in paint. Make sure you have quite a bit on there. And you're just going to draw a line straight across. Okay, we're going to dip our finger back, and we're going to draw a line down, and we're going to draw another line down. Perfect. I'm going to close that up, and see, Miss Rucker ran out of paint. That's okay. I'm just going to dip in there and get some more. I'm going to go ahead and fill that in. Massage it in. Perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to come down just a little bit, come down, I'm going to go across again. So I'm making almost like a rectangle here. And then I'm going to draw some lines down the center. Perfect. Again, I'm going to dip my finger, I'm going to draw a line out that way. And draw a line. And look, Miss Rucker ran out of paint. That's okay, because what do? I just get some more paint on there. Perfect. Alright, I'm going to make his little eyes. 2 circles, and that's okay. I'm just going to keep making a circle. Perfect. I'm just going to rub that in. I'm going to get more paint. And I'm going to draw a circle. And I'm just going to keep drawing a circle. That also lifts the paint up so that I can move it. Perfect. And I'm going to fill in, but I'm going to leave a little bit white. Perfect. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the nose. So we're just going to draw a straight line across, but we're going to make almost like we're going to make a sideways V. Okay, because this is the carrot nose. And then I'm going to connect it, and I'm going to draw a line down the center. Now I'm going to make the mouth, and I'm going to just do some little fingerprints. I want him smiling. Perfect. All right, now I'm going to make his head. Now you want to kind of make sure you have quite a bit of black paint, because now I'm going to come and I'm just going to connect. Oh no, Miss Rucker, I'm going to make his scarf. I'm going to draw a straight line across. And that's okay. If I run out of paint on the side, I'm going to pick up some more paint where I already drew the line. Perfect. Just like I did the hat. I'm going to go ahead and make me a rectangle. See, I ran out of paint. That's okay. I'm going to pick me some more up, massage it in. And I'm going to draw some little vertical lines. Perfect. I'm going to draw the bottom of the scarf. This is almost like a little rectangle going down. And I'm going to draw a line in the middle and some fringe. Now I'm going to make the snowman's face. And I'm going to make sure I get quite a bit of paint on my finger because I'm going to have to come all the way around. I'm going to connect it from the hat all the way down to the scarf. And again, if you run out of paint, it's okay. I'm going to pick me some more paint up. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I ran out of paint. That's okay. Perfect. See, Miss Rucker still only has one finger that's dirty. Okay, now I'm going to make his body, and I'm just going to put me a little dot here so I know where to go. And I'm going to come out, and I'm going to connect it at that dot. My snowman's only going to have 2 snowballs, and that's okay. Some snowmen only have 2 snowballs. So this is his body. See, I'm running out, but that's okay. I'm just putting more black paint on my finger. I'm going to give him 2 buttons. So I'm going to make 2 circles here. And I'm also going to put him some little stick arms out to the side. And voila! Miss Rucker has a cute little snowman, and next week we will cut him out. We'll color him, cut him out, and we will paste him on our beautiful little background paper. So when you are done, you are going to go turn this into the drying rack. You're going to get 1 wipe. You're going to wipe your finger. You should only have 1 finger that you have to wipe off. That wipe will take it right off. Okay, great.